Hi there, I'm Lori Steib, the librarian at Pennington Biomedical Research Center. At home, when I'm not reading or folding laundry, you'll find me sewing and making quilts. I'm also a member of several local quilt guilds, and many of our members have been busy creating and sewing and catching up on projects while we've been staying at home. Our latest project has been creating homemade fabric masks like these. It has been shown that wearing any protective mask may prevent the virus from being passed to others. While nothing beats the professional N95 mask, something is better than nothing. If you are not a sewer, don't despair. You can still make your own cloth or paper mask at home using everyday household items. There are hundreds of videos in existence to show you how. Look around your house for a spare bed sheet or a pillowcase, a t-shirt, a bandana, vacuum cleaner bags, coffee filters, even a paper towel will do. Now grab a pair of scissors, perhaps a glue gun or a stapler. Find some hair elastics or maybe a couple of rubber bands. Get creative with what you have around the house. The simplest route, tie a scarf or a bandana around your head. One of the easiest DIY masks you can make is the paper towel mask. Take one paper towel and make pleats by folding it like an accordion. Like so. Turn the mask, insert a rubber band, fold it over the rubber band, and staple. Turn it around, maintaining your pleats, fold it over, another rubber band, and staple. And there you have it, a very easy paper towel mask. When you wear the mask, make sure it fits tightly over your nose and under your chin. Finally, when making or using your homemade mask, here are some things to remember. Wash your hands well before making your mask. Wash your hands before putting the mask on. When removing the mask, do not touch the front of the mask with your hands. Take it off by the ties or the elastics. I hope you found these tips helpful. For other tips and information about Pennington, refer to our website at www.pbrc.edu. Stay healthy, everyone.